Welcome to Electron. With this video, we're starting a new series in electrical engineering on RC and RL circuits. Now, what are RC and RL circuits? The R stands for resistance, the C stands for capacitance, and the L stands for inductance. Now, notice here we have two examples. One circuit that has a capacitor and a resistor, so therefore we call that an RC circuit. And here we have an inductor and a resistor, we call that an RL circuit. In this chapter, we're not yet going to mix capacitors, inductors, and resistors all in the same circuit because then you end up with a different kind of circuit. Here, our C circuits and our L circuits are known as first-order circuits. The reason for that is when you try to calculate the current through a capacitor, you find that it's defined as being the capacitance times the change in the voltage over time. And here, if you're trying to find the voltage across an inductor, it is equal to the inductance times the change in the current through the inductor with respect to time. And therefore, when we try to put together an equation that defines the voltage in an RC circuit or an equation that defines the current in an RC circuit, you end up with a first-order differential equation, hence the name first-order circuits. In the next chapter, we'll deal with second-order circuits when we combine capacitors, inductors, and resistors all in the same circuit. But let's start with the relatively easier type of circuit and easier type of differential equation. Now, what this is all about in this chapter is we're going to learn how to calculate the current through any of the branches and the voltage across any of the branches. And of course, we'll see more complicated examples than what we have over here, but we need to learn how to find the current and the voltage in these various types of circuits. Again, limiting the circuit to either being resistors and capacitors or I should say, resistors and inductors. So that's what we're going to do in this section. So if you're interested in it, stay tuned. We'll have lots more videos on this topic.